Hello friends, today we will study about the byproducts of the thermal power plants which have to be handled in that ash and dust are come. So today we will study about the ash handling system. So what is basically the ash? Ash is the end product of the incomplete combustion. If we see, it will be mostly mineral but usually still contain an amount of combustible organic or other oxidizable residues. Basically base known type of ash is wood ash that we you know in day-to-day life as a product of the wood combustion in campfire, fireplaces, etc. So the darker of the wood ash, the higher the content of the remaining charcoal will be due to incomplete combustion. So a necessity of the ash disposal in thermal power plant. Why there is a necessity of ash disposal? Problem of ash handling. What comes the problem? So very large quantity of ash is produced through the thermal power plants. About 10 to 20% of the coal burned per day, which is a waste. Here we see 10 to 20% the ash content in the after the combustion of the coal, but it can increase up to 20 to 30% of the total coal burn or combustion of the coal in a day, that is converted into the ash, 30% or 20% of that part. So ash is dust, irritating and annoying to eyes. These are the problems with the ash. Formation of crinklers are there. Ash is hot when coming out from the furnace, means exactly when coming out from the furnace it will be very hot, so which can be difficult as sight. When it comes in contact with the belts, conveyors, it will produce the damage to these equipments. Also it produces corrosive action when mixed with water. So ash handling system, what does it requires, what does it should consist? So it can remove ash from the furnaces large quantity at high rate, means we are burning the fuel at continuous rate, so there should be the ash removal rate from the furnace is should be very high. The system can load collected ash from the furnace on the conveyor system, should be there. System which can deliver ash from the conveyor to the storage, again means from firstly from the furnace to conveyor and then from conveyor to storage, and after that the system of the disposal of the stored ash, means these are the compartments or these are the types where ash is handled. Corrosion and wear free equipment should be there, low noise, low formation clicker, and smooth in operation. So general layout we can see in ash handling and dust collector system is given here, that furnace from the bottom surface of the furnace ash is coming out, and ash handling system as we know that is the transportation conveyor, then it is storage, and then after that storage is the disposal, that is a comes in the ash handling system. Upper side means from the smoke there is a dust collection will be there, that is just before the induced fan, dust and fly ash collector, that is called as a fly ash. So various ash handling equipments are there. First one is your, it will be depend on the which type of equipment we are using, that will be hydraulic ash handling system, pneumatic ash handling system, and the mechanical ash handling system. So these three types of ash handling systems are generally used in a thermal power plant. So depending on this application we will see one by one. So the first one is your hydraulic ash handling system. The diagram is also given there, where boilers and one conveyor carrying water through is placed beside below the boilers, that is below the furnace exactly, and at the end of this there are the sumps where ash is collected. So it hydraulic ash handling system used for large power plants. Generally if the power plants are large, near about 200 500 megawatt and more than that, there will be the ash handling system is hydraulic system. So the principle is nothing but when ash comes from the furnace grate falls into the system of the water possessing high velocity, means water is flowing at high velocity, and it carries ash to the sump, means the high velocity flowing water is carries the ash up to the sump. In the sum, water and ash separated means there are the separators, and the ash is later loaded on the wagons or trucks, that is transportation by using belt conveyor or grab buckets, and then finally it is transferred to the dump site, means finally the disposal of the ash. So this is the ash handling system, that is hydraulic. So the advantages of this system is clean, dustless, and enclosed completely, means total ash is drought out, does not harm men at working because we are using directly the high velocity water for carrying the ash. Limitations are corrosion of the equipment because using water, and we know that ash produces chemical reaction with the water uh, separately. So wear of the equipment is there. Necessity, material used for thorough and sums has to be corrosion free because ash dissolve in water forms acid. The combination of ash and water is forms is a acidic in nature. So moving forward for the second thing, that is a pneumatic ash handling system. The system is used when ash is to be transferred at a considerable distance from the site. Means the distance, that is storage, ash storage is far somewhat away from the plant, actual working plant, that is a boiler and turbines and all that. There the pneumatic ash handling system used. The basic diagram is given as where crushers are there below the boiler, and air is coming from the atmosphere which is at high velocity, which carries the ash with it, and then it is a ash separators are there which is cyclone type. After that air is filtered with the help of filter, and then after that the air is exhausted to the surrounding, that is clean air after filtration is exhausted to the surrounding with the help of exhauster. So the separators separate the ash from the air which carries the ash. So the basic principle is the ash from the furnace fall into the crusher where it is converted into fine particles with the help of crusher, and high velocity air stream is created by the exhaust fan carries all the ash and dust particle to the primary separator which work on a cyclone principle. Leftover ash is removed in a secondary separator. Air after pass through the air filter remove the dust particles so that it could be not damaged to the fan blade and exhausted to the environment. So the downward side of the cyclone type ash apparatus is there is a ash hopper, and after that directly loaded into the trucks and transported to the dump site. So the advantages of pneumatic handling system is can be handle abrasive and fine ash particles, also remove all type of ash handle dry state, so no problem of the corrosion, means we are using here air not water, so there is no problem of the corrosion. But the limitation is high maintenance cost due to more number of components than hydraulic system, because we are using separators, we are using filters, we are using exhauster fans for the air, we are using blower for air to carry out the high speed. So occupies more space than the hydraulic. Because of this so much equipments, this required more space than the hydraulic system. So the necessity for this is material used in pipeline and sumps has to be wear resistance, because fine particles of the ash has abrasive nature. So because the particles are very fine, then that becomes the abrasive in nature, so the material is used in pipeline and sumps should be wear resistance. So moving last one, our type of the ash, third type of the ash handling system is mechanical ash handling system, where you can see it used for low capacity power plant, near about below 200 megawatt power plants are used the mechanical ash handling system. We can say here the boiler furnaces where ash is coming out, and that ash is landed on the belt conveyor from where it is carried with the water through with the help of belt, and after that it is conveyed into the bunker, and after that bunker is directly transferred to the trucks. So the principle is the hot ash released from the boiler is falls on the belt conveyor. After cooling, it passes into the ash bunker. Ash is later removed the dumping site with the help of trucks. So this is all about your basically types of the ash handling system: hydraulic, pneumatic and mechanical. So generally ash handling system, hydraulic ash handling system is uses in large amount. So thank you for today.